In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your YouTube API key. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is head on over to console.cloud.google.com and make sure to sign in with your account. Then from there, we want to go ahead and open up a project, or we can go ahead and click on new project. So for this demonstration, I'm going to create a new project. Now I'm going to call this test 2. Organization, you can keep the same, and parent resource, then click create. Then from there, we need to make sure to click into that project. So once it's created, so yeah, create project test 2, we want to select that project. Now from here, where it says search for resources, doc products, and more, we want to go ahead and search for YouTube data. So YouTube data, I think it's volume 3. All right, here it is here. So YouTube data API volume 3, click onto it. Now we want to go ahead and click enable. Just give that a few moments to enable. Okay, once it enables, it's going to go to a new page. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on create credentials on the top right hand corner of the page. Now, if you get an error, that's all right. Go ahead and click on retry because it's kind of newish to what you've created. Or if you're still giving you grief, come on over and click on credentials on the left side, and then click on create credentials, and then click on API key. Now I want to give this API key a name. Now where it says select API restrictions, we want to go ahead and select YouTube data API v3 only. Now below here we got restrict your key to reduce security risk. So you can select the specific application type to restrict access depending what your application restrictions are. So if you if it's website, select website, IP addresses, Android apps, iOS apps. Or if you don't want any restrictions, just click none and then click create. Now I need to select this, but it's just not allowing me to select. So I've got an issue here. So I want to go to that issue. Now if I type in YouTube, all right, I've refreshed my page, so now I can select there. So I want to choose YouTube Data API Volume 3, click OK, no restrictions, give it a name, and then go ahead and click on Create, and that's going to create that API key. Now, once you've created it, just give it a few moments. You can see here, my API key is here. I'm going to delete this, so that doesn't matter. So yeah, keep this safe and don't send that out to anyone. So keep that for only yourself. And then from there, click on Close. Now, if I refresh it, you can see API key. Now, if you want to delete that key, click on the three dots, click on delete API key, and click delete.